Vinay Katyar has once again raised the pitch for building a Ram temple at Ayodhya. Vinay Katyar, one of the faces of the Ram temple movement, has said that the issue is as important as the country's economic development. The BJP MP demanded that the Narendra Modi government must bring a bill in parliament for building a Ram temple at Ayodhya. He warned if the issue was ignored, then the anger of Lord Ram's followers, of his bhakts, will erupt like a volcano. Meanwhile, the opposition and the Babri Action Committee has lashed out at Vinay Katyar on this issue. Executive Editor Javed Ansari joins me with more on this. Javed, the opposition has been quick to latch on the government and the party, speaking in multiple voices. The Prime Minister says one thing, leaders like Vinay Katyar say something just the opposite.
Look, Gaurav, the thing is that Mr. Vinay Katyar has been on the margins for a very long time. And perhaps this is a belated attempt on his part to gain some recognition. What should matter is what the Prime Minister of the country says and what the other senior functionaries of the government say. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on record having said that this is not his priority. The priority is development. Mr. Rajnath Singh has made it abundantly clear in his capacity as Home Minister that they do not have the mandate and that these issues for the time being will be on the black burner. And that's what we should go by, not give undue importance to those who are on the periphery.
Okay, now is the opposition looking at it like this, that focus on what the Prime Minister says, not look at leaders like Vinay Katyar who may be on the fringe? The opposition is gunning for the government because they seem to say that the government and the party are running with the hare and hunting with the hounds, perhaps keeping all constituencies happy, but the development agenda, does that get derailed with statements like this?
Look, the unfortunate part is that India's political class fails its people, They just cannot resist the temptation of politicking on emotive issues like this. Issues which have divided society, which unfortunately have, divided the country on this, on different occasions. Therefore, now at least the time has come. We ought to realize from our past experiences and put all this behind us. Once the government of the day, the Prime Minister of the day, he's put his voice to it, saying he's given a commitment that these are not issues which are on the priority of his government, and that we need to believe the Prime Minister unless, of course, he does something otherwise.
Okay, Javed, stay with me. Congress Party's Tom Vadakkan now joins me for more on this. Sir, your reaction to what Vinay Katyar says, bring a bill to make Ram temple at Ayodhya or face the wrath of Ram Bhakts?
This matter is sub judice, but what shocks me is within 48 hours of the Prime Minister speaking strongly on the issue to the media, here again starts the Katyar series. What control has the Prime Minister on his members of Parliament, especially Rajya Sabha members? It is shocking. I mentioned it then in public domain. Men like this need to be told their place.
Okay.
If development is the Prime Minister's agenda, he needs to act firmly against these people. The matter is sub judice, and such provocative statements can bring no good to the NDA government.
Could this well be a part of a very carefully orchestrated strategy, Tom Vadakkan, or is this Vinay Katyar, who, as Javed Ansari says, is at the fringe, is trying to show his relevance?
He may be trying to show his relevance. That may be one part of the picture, but there is a larger picture to it. I've said that in my earlier reactions in public domain 48 hours before, that the Prime Minister's statement must be backed with ground zero action. If that does not happen, it is clearly an indication the Prime Minister has lost control, or else this is part of a larger strategy.
What impact, according to you, do statements like this have on the country, whether we talk about bringing in economic development or we talk about the minorities?
You answered the answer is in the question itself. It affects development. Investments are driven away from this country. If there's a threat of law and order situation, Sensex is as it is down. Investments are not coming. Minorities are scared. The Prime Minister made a statement, and now 48 hours after that, here comes in Katyar's statement. This is a matter that is sub judice. Let the Honorable Court settle the matter. Where is the need for this gentleman to keep on saying this and keeping on the tempo. Investments will be off this country. I think it's time for the Prime Minister to act.
Tom Varadkar and Javed Ansari, for the moment, many thanks for joining me here on the broadcast.